since this flight's delayed, I have a whole road to myself. Another awesome thing you can do is come down to the City Hall. At night it's really beautiful. At night it's really awesome. You can get some beautiful long exposure shots. I couldn't come out last night because I was too tired. But yeah, a really nice view, as you shall see. So I'm currently now in like the Independence Park area around Philadelphia. This is quite a touristy hotspot. It's probably one of the more iconic or most well-known areas of Philadelphia that you should visit. It's a really nice day out today, but I'm going to check out Independence Hall, the Liberty Bell right there, the Constitution Center probably, and also the Visitor Center over there. Seems like a really important part of the city. So behind me is like the Independence Hall, and in that exact building in the late 1700s, the American Constitution and the Declaration of Independence were debated and adopted, i.e. signed and like agreed on, in that exact building. How significant is that?
You look at it, it's really not a pretty bell in a lot of ways. It has all these blotches, these imperfections in it, because this is probably the first bell that these two guys ever made. But they gave it their best shot, and it did ring for almost 100 years, because the bell was on top of that building when the whole country was created. It rang to celebrate the creation of the United States, and it became a very good symbol for later generations to remember the creation of the country. And even after it cracks, and it can't ring anymore, it almost becomes a more powerful symbol. It represents how fragile liberty is, used to remember the past, but also this old broken bell has been used to change the future.
So before I came to Philly, I didn't even know that Philadelphia was like such a really important city of the United States. In fact, the Declaration of Independence was drafted here. Benjamin Franklin, Thomas Jefferson, those founding fathers actually were like in this actual city 300 plus years ago, making the America that we know today. The only impression I had of Philadelphia before this was for Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, and let's be honest, that's not a good impression. Shit, not bad. Another really important thing you should try when you're in Philly is something called a hoagie. Now, I didn't know what it is, first time trying it. It's essentially this cold sandwich with like meat and other condiments and ingredients. Looks alright. I mean, it's no cheesesteak. Cheesesteak's a warm dish, this is a cold dish. I'm here at Campos. It's like near the Liberty Bell, near the touristy area. It's on 2nd Street and Market. Trying a hoagie for the first time, see how it is. It's alright. Now, was that hoagie any good? I don't know. Wanker. I'm not a fan of it. I didn't like cold food to start off with, and I didn't find anything special with it. If I would I come back? Probably not, but definitely try it. Definitely try it. So behind me is the Reading Terminal Market. It's like a farmer's market. You'll find a lot of like fresh produce there. It's a great place to have lunch. I'm too full from a hoagie still, so I'm not going to eat anything inside. But what you can see inside is that it's like a lot of different delis, fruit shops, juice shops, Philly cheesesteaks, whatever you feel like eating, honestly. Seems inexpensive as well, and doesn't look like you need tips, but yeah, it's just like any farmer's market. Yeah. play on the Sixers. Philly Airport.
Philly Airport.
Yeah.
Terminal D.
Yeah, United.
Gotcha.
Next stop, Chicago. Can't wait to be back in the Windy City.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chicago. The local time is 7:47. Please stay seated until the seatbelt sign is turned off. On behalf of your entire United team and our Star Alliance partners, thank you so much for choosing to fly with us today.
With that, we're finally in Chicago.